Now, ABC 7 News First Warning Weather.
Welcome back in, everybody. Let's take a look at your forecast. We will start with the weather headlines, and we're going to be talking about a trough convergence that's going to be coming our way into tomorrow that will increase showers and thunderstorms across Guam tomorrow, so be aware of that. We're going to be seeing more in the way of rain, and another monsoon trough is going to dig into the region this weekend, and that's going to produce a few periods of showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder or two here and there across Guam as well. So pretty much we're going into a wet pattern here, so expect rain showers to continue. But the good news is when we're looking out towards the water, we're not expecting much in terms of waves. Wave height's about 2 to 4 feet, but the westerly swells are going to remain light and not really impact too much across Guam. Tuesday was the 4th of July, and this is a weather video coming in from Kings Island, which is a amusement park in Ohio, out in Mason, Ohio, and they had the fireworks out there, and they also had a drone display of the American flag right there. Of course, we're seeing more drone displays now instead of fireworks, and we're actually seeing it in conjunction here. I thought that was really cool, but unfortunately, it's not all great news on the 4th of July. Another wildfire sparked out in California. This is out near San Bernardino, and you can see here another wildfire sparked out there on the 4th of July. And unfortunately, this is a problem, and we're seeing a lot of wildfires out towards the west coast and up into Canada as well. It's been a very dry pattern out across the Pacific Northwest and getting down into California as well, and also up into Canada as well. Those wildfires continue burning up there. So again, these wildfires are just not good, and we need them to get contained. So here's a look at the tides for you. High tide tomorrow comes up at 9:30 at about 2.5 feet, and the other high tide comes up a little after midnight. Low tide 1.77 feet. Coming up a little after 4:30 tomorrow morning, tomorrow morning, and tomorrow afternoon, the next low tide at 4:21, and the moon now 93% illumination, still awaiting gibbous. Let's take a look at the next 7 days, and you will see here rain is going to continue throughout much of this pattern here. So notice a 50% chance of showers and storms tomorrow. Then the showers and storms increase as we go into the weekend. That's due to the trough that's going to dig in, that monsoon trough that's going to produce a few more showers and storms, and we keep that pattern going throughout much of next week. But temperatures are going to remain pretty seasonable into the mid to upper 80s. Some lower 90s could be possible, but again, you know, that monsoon trough is going to bring us some more rain, probably a little more than we need, but you know, that's kind of the way the weather works. But the good news is if you are getting out onto the water, those swells on the western end are definitely not going to be too much of an issue, Emily.
So yesterday we were doing this, today it's smooth sailing.
Yes, so we were doing this, now it's getting a lot more smoother, so it's going to be good.
Sounds good. Thanks, Dakota.